Blacksmithing in Hamuganda village, Bukoora parish, Kitumba sub-county in Kabale district. It is the process of shaping and framing a metal into a desired shape or design. It involves heating a metal to a high temperature, making it shapeable. According to Mr. Hamuganda Richard, a blacksmith who has spent 35 years in the field, they produce materials like axes, spears, saucepans, knives, pangas, and many others. He acquired the skills from his father, who was taught by his father also from the great-grandfathers, making the practice hereditary. His field, he has managed to get money to cater for his family and children. This field, they face a problem of limited capital, safety and environmental risks, and lack of enough market for the product. He calls upon the government of Uganda to fund them in order to get money to buy metals and charcoal. Blacksmithing has not only acted as a source of income but also as a tourist attraction, attracting people from different parts of Uganda and even outside Uganda.
Shanka kuleba umuruka gwa Bukoora ejo barageta Hamuganda barabeta bahesi oranyegera rushorozo tembe aharatora katenga kandi niyo nashanjire okwesha kuri turaza yo kubareba kureba uko baheshi barakora kureba uko barakora emiso emihoro amacambiya n'endyanku so nakireba cyari kiriye ikintu cy'amani mubwire bwitu bwa kare turacira kuzo tucari abana butwagireyo kareba yo abajungu beyijire hamwe n'abandi bantu baje ngo baruga Kampala baguraho emiso n'amajambiya so kare nabo bacikundire nareba ngo barareba ngo abantu aba bashime kwa bina atebonire yo kure ibintu bya burijo ibyenzarwa.
Mr. Atkunda calls upon the government of Uganda to add blacksmithing on the curriculum as a course in institutions to impart skills in the young generation, hence preserving the Kigezi heritage of blacksmithing.
Curriculum kajito kugira ngo abantu bege kozetse mikono munonga benyigirize mu bye mikono then naba ba supporting nabo baheshi kije kukolera abantu baburijo bo mu mwanya bagire mentunguka then kije no kucatungura umwanya
by Shila Chokusima.